it going, folks? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create expense reports with ReceiptsAI. In the end, it'll look something like this. So an expense report for a given date broken down by expense categories and showing all the transactions. You can even have subcategories as well, so further breaking down hosting or whatever category you're using. You can also create reports that look a little bit more Excel-y. If you want to see your monthly spend per category, you can also do that. So there's a lot of different ways you can create expense reports. We'll do a quick walkthrough and I'll show you how you can do it in just a few minutes. So the first thing you're going to want to do is sign up for ReceiptsAI. So log into ReceiptsAI and create a new account just here. After you complete the onboarding, you'll be greeted with a page that looks something like this. First off the bat, let's add a document. In this case, let's add our bank statement. You can add any sort of receipt, invoice, bank statement, credit card statement, pretty much anything with a financial document that has a number on it, you can add it. ReceiptsAI will compile all the information and show you the expense report for exactly what you're trying to make. So for us, we're going to upload this statement. It's a bank statement with Wise with hundreds and hundreds of transactions. So this is for the year 2025, bunch of different transactions, different categories. Before you do that, you should also note that you can set up your own custom categories. So in this case, I have the template software as a service. That's the kind of business we are. But if you are a freelancer or if you're a medical practice or whatever, you can use the templates and then further customize your categories based on your own needs. Okay, once you've set up your categories, next thing you can do is upload your documents. So let's start off with ours. We're going to upload that bank statement. Simply drag and drop and submit it for processing. Since this is a document that has lots and lots of transactions, 22 pages, it's going to take a minute or two, so I'm going to pause the video and we're going to come back when it's done. Cool. When it's done, you'll hear a little notification and you'll see the report ready in your documents folder. Now let's head over to reports. This is where we'll see all the expense reports. So let's work with the filters first. Last year, perfect. Great. So now you have a expense report with all the categories listed out. These will be aligned to the ones you've set up in your categories just previously. You can even click into these categories and drill down to subcategories. If you set those up, they'll be here. For each category, you can also see exactly which expenses correspond. Then if you want to create the expense report, simply set up the date. Then simply press the export button and then export the PDF. Now, if you wanted to see different kinds of reports, for example, a monthly expenditure report, press over here to the monthly matrix tab, and you'll see your expenses month over month for each category. The cool thing here is that you can see certain expenses, how they change over time. So for example, for us, hosting, June, July was pretty slow, and then getting into the autumn season, our hosting costs went up. Just a good way to keep track of exactly where your money's going. And to do that, you can also look at our money flow report. This is pretty cool. So you can see exactly where the money comes in and where the money goes out. For all these reports, just simply press the export button, choose your options, and press export. Yeah, hope that was helpful. You can create these expense reports pretty fast with ReceiptsAI. Just upload your bank statement. You can even match them to receipts. So if you upload receipts as well, you'll match the receipt to the transaction on the statement, which is pretty cool. But you can also upload just receipts itself. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our email or even just leave a comment in the video and we'll get right back to you. Thanks.